during my elementary days. Yung aking pastime during that time is agawan base or patintero. So mayroon kang background ng running. So sabi ko, mukhang kaya ko siya. So doon nag-start yun. Parang naisip ko na gawing stepping stone yung running para makatapos ako ng pag-aaral. Kasi during that time, parang hindi pa 100% sure kung makakatapos ka ng college or something. So doon talaga nagsimula yan. Yung main goal and main objective namin for next year is to sustain running in the Philippines and at the same time make it bigger by inspiring other people to have a healthy lifestyle. So yung goal ko ngayon, yung 6 majors marathon in the world, natapos ko na yung New York Marathon, natapos ko na yung Boston. So yung mga next goals na is London Marathon, Berlin Marathon. So for next year, meron na akong mga races na sasalihan. Ito yung Tokyo Marathon, February 26, Paris Marathon, April 15, and September, second or third week ng September, yung Marathon de Meduc naman. Well, malaking bagay yung benefits ng hydration sa amin during training and competition. Actually, yung ginagawa mo sa competition, kailangan yun din yung ginagawa mo sa training. So, prior to your training, kailangan nag-hydrate ka na. During your training itself, kailangan nag-hydrate ka, and after, kailangan mong mag-hydrate or else ma-affect yung performance mo. Actually, I'm very happy and grateful for this year, 2011. We almost matatapos na yung races namin, and almost every races ko, partner ko si Powerade. Happy ako, happy yung client ko, and at the same time, happy yung mga runners ko. And for our 2012 na program namin or project, almost magsasign na kami ng contract, kaya mas kampante na ako doon sa lahat ng races ko na i-organize. Yung mga participants, mabibigay ko sa kanila yung pinaka-basic na need nila. Siyempre, kailangan, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, mainit eh. So, talagang number 1 sa listahan ko, yung hydration. And talagang nire-request ng mga tao, kahit 5K or 3K lang yung pinakamababang tatakbo nila, nagre-request sila ng Powerade.